Hi everybody, this is Brian over at Pharos Systems Customer Support. Today we're going to discuss updating the Pharos Print Center when the Pharos Print Center is installed to a server all by itself with no other Pharos applications or services installed to it. Starting with Uniprint 9.0 R2, Pharos integrated an updater service into Pharos Administrator to make it easier for you to update hotfixes and service packs for all of the different services and items within Uniprint. You can actually use this to upgrade and update Pharos Administrator running on workstations and all of the servers that are part of the entire system. You could do this from the comfort of your own desk running Pharos Administrator on your workstation, so you don't actually have to log into a server to do this. You would use the drop-down menu, would choose the server or the workstation. It'll tell you what's available, and then you click download, and once it's downloaded, you can click install, and it updates the server or the workstation at that point in time. However, if you're running the Pharos Print Center on a server all by itself that has no other Pharos services or applications, it won't show up in the updater service. So how do you work with this? How do you update the Pharos Print Center? Well, when you are downloading and updating a server using the updater service, it will create in a folder on program data, which is a hidden folder here in the C drive, in Pharos Systems Updater Service, cache all of the items that it downloads that are part of the updater service. So you can go into a server that you have already successfully upgraded, go into this directory, and you'll find the Print Center here. It may not be on the server that you want to upgrade. Obviously, it's not. Otherwise, this video is pointless. But you can go into the most recent version that it downloaded, go into Contents, and go into Bin, and there's the Pharos Print Center setup. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, and then we're going to go into Program Files x86, Pharos this time instead of Pharos Systems, Bin, and we're going to paste it in here. Once you're in the bin directory, you'll notice that there's already going to be a file there called Pharos Print Center Setup. You'll rename that file by right-clicking, going to rename. I usually name it to .old, and you can see I've already done so right below here. And then paste the new one in. Once it's in, since it's an MSI, you can run it. I usually recommend running it from an elevated command prompt as administrator, just because you can't right-click on an MSI and run as admin. It only gives you install. After the installation is done, your Pharos Print Center should be updated, and you can take a look at the Print Center webpage below the login button. It should tell you which version is currently running.